Welcome to our journey through the seven wonders of the world. From the dusty plains of Egypt to the sun-drenched shores of the Aegean Sea, we'll explore the ancient, modern, and natural wonders that have captivated humanity for centuries. These awe-inspiring creations stand as testaments to human ingenuity, artistry, and the enduring power of nature. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the Giza Plateau, where the last remaining wonder of the ancient world still stands defiant against the sands of time. The Great Pyramid of Giza, a symbol of ancient Egyptian civilization, towers over the desert, a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of a people who dared to touch the heavens. Imagine, if you will, the scene thousands of years ago. Thousands of workers, their skin bronzed by the relentless desert sun, toiling day and night, moving massive blocks of stone, each weighing more than an elephant, with astonishing precision. The pyramid itself is a marvel of engineering. Its smooth triangular sides, once gleaming white limestone, were precisely aligned with the cardinal directions, a feat achieved without modern tools. Deep within its heart lies the king's chamber, the final resting place of Pharaoh Khufu, where he was laid to rest amidst treasures fit for a king. Today, as the sun sets over the Giza Plateau, casting long shadows from the pyramid's apex, it serves as a poignant reminder of the passage of time. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a testament to the human spirit's ability to conceive and create something so monumental, so enduring, that it continues to inspire awe and wonder in all who behold it. As we move on from the Great Pyramid, we carry with us a sense of awe and a profound respect for the ingenuity of our ancestors. Our journey now takes us east, to the heart of ancient Mesopotamia, where the mighty Euphrates River nourishes the land. Here, amidst the bustling metropolis of Babylon, legend tells of a wonder that defied the harsh desert environment, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Imagine a city of towering ziggurats, baked clay walls, and bustling marketplaces. The air is thick with the scent of spices, and the sounds of merchants hawking their wares fill the streets. Yet, above it all, rising above the city walls, is an oasis of green, a testament to human ingenuity and a love of nature. The Hanging Gardens, as described by ancient writers, were a series of tiered gardens, each level overflowing with lush vegetation, trees heavy with exotic fruits, fragrant flowers in a riot of colors, and verdant vines cascaded down the terraces, creating a spectacle that captivated all who beheld them. A complex system of pumps, aqueducts, and water-lifting devices, possibly even an early form of Archimedes' screw, drew water from the nearby Euphrates, ensuring a constant flow of life-giving water to the gardens. Sadly, like many wonders of the ancient world, the Hanging Gardens are lost to time, their existence debated among historians. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, whether a historical reality or a product of myth, continue to capture our imaginations. Our journey through the wonders of the ancient world now brings us to the sacred grounds of Olympia, Greece, a place where athletic prowess and religious devotion intertwined. Here, amidst temples and stadiums, stood a colossal statue that embodied the might and majesty of the king of the gods, the statue of Zeus at Olympia. Imagine yourself standing in the heart of Olympia, surrounded by the energy of the Olympic Games. Athletes from across the Greek world compete for glory, their feats witnessed by thousands. But all eyes are drawn to the towering figure that dominates the temple dedicated to Zeus, a statue so magnificent it was considered one of the greatest wonders of the ancient world. Crafted by the renowned sculptor Phidias, the statue of Zeus was not merely a depiction of a god, it was an embodiment of divine power. The statue, some 40 feet tall, depicted Zeus seated on an elaborate throne, his powerful physique relaxed yet commanding. The statue's core was constructed from wood, but it was covered in plates of ivory, meticulously carved to depict Zeus's skin. His beard, hair, and the wreath of olive leaves upon his head were all crafted from shimmering gold, reflecting the light that streamed in through the temple doors. Despite its loss, the statue of Zeus at Olympia continues to resonate through history, a testament to the power of art to inspire awe and embody the beliefs of a civilization. Our journey through the ancient world takes us to Ephesus, along the Aegean coast. Here stood the Temple of Artemis, dedicated to a goddess revered for her strength and beauty. Imagine stepping onto the marble streets of Ephesus, alive with commerce and culture, the air thick with spices and merchants hawking their wares. Rising above the city, the Temple of Artemis stood as a testament to devotion and architectural grandeur. Dedicated to Artemis, the temple symbolized Ephesus's prosperity and the architectural genius of the ancient Greeks. Though in ruins, the Temple of Artemis remains a reminder of belief, beauty, and the ancient world's legacy. Our exploration of the ancient world's wonders takes us to Halicarnassus, a city on the southwestern coast of Anatolia. Imagine the sun-drenched city of Halicarnassus, a bustling port of the Persian Empire. Ships laden with goods crowd the harbor while a magnificent tomb rises above the cityscape. This was the mausoleum, built by Artemisia II for her husband and brother Mausolus. Grief-stricken, Artemisia poured her wealth into creating a tomb surpassing all others. The mausoleum was a marvel, a fusion of Greek, Persian, and Egyptian styles. It rose in tiers, adorned with friezes and topped with a statue of Mausolus and Artemisia. The mausoleum became a symbol of love, loss, and architectural grandeur. Today it may be a shadow of its former glory, but its legacy endures. Our journey through the wonders of the ancient world now takes us to the island of Rhodes, where a bronze giant, a testament to human ingenuity and a city's pride, once straddled the harbor, the Colossus of Rhodes. Imagine, if you will, the bustling harbor of Rhodes, a crossroads of trade in the ancient Mediterranean. Ships from distant lands, their sails billowing in the Aegean breeze, navigate the harbor entrance, passing beneath the outstretched legs of a bronze colossus, a beacon of power and prosperity. The Colossus of Rhodes, a statue of the sun god Helios, was more than just a colossal sculpture. It was a symbol of Rhodes's victory over invaders, and a testament to the island's engineering prowess. Cast in bronze by the sculptor Chares of Lindos, the Colossus towered over 100 feet, its skin made from hammered bronze plates supported by an internal iron framework. It stood for 56 years, a beacon to sailors, and a source of pride for the Rhodians. Legend has it that the Colossus straddled the harbor entrance, its legs planted on either side, allowing ships to pass beneath its mighty stride. While this image is likely an exaggeration, it speaks to the awe and wonder the Colossus inspired. Sadly, the Colossus's reign was short-lived. Though the Colossus of Rhodes is no more, its legacy lives on, a testament to human ambition, the enduring power of symbolism, and the fleeting nature of glory. Our journey through the wonders of the ancient world culminates on the shores of Alexandria, Egypt, where a towering structure, a marvel of engineering and a beacon of hope for mariners, once illuminated the night, the Lighthouse of Alexandria. Imagine yourself aboard a ship sailing the Mediterranean Sea in ancient times. The stars above provide some guidance, but the dangers of the sea are ever present. Then on the horizon, a brilliant light pierces the darkness, a beacon of hope guiding you towards the safety of Alexandria's harbor. This was the Pharos of Alexandria, one of the tallest man-made structures for centuries and a testament to the ingenuity of the Ptolemaic kingdom. Constructed on the island of Pharos, just off the coast of Alexandria, the lighthouse served as a vital navigational aid for ships approaching the bustling port city. The Pharos was a marvel of engineering, its towering height achieved through a series of 3 tiers, a square base, an octagonal middle section, and a cylindrical top. Its exterior, clad in gleaming white stone, reflected the sunlight during the day, while at night, a fire blazed atop the lighthouse, its light magnified by an intricate system of mirrors. The fire, fueled by wood and constantly tended, could be seen for miles, guiding ships safely through the treacherous waters. Though the Pharos of Alexandria is no more, its legacy lives on, inspiring lighthouse design for centuries and serving as a reminder of the power of human ingenuity to overcome challenges and illuminate the darkness. Outer Wonders of the World, a legacy for the ages. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the 7 wonders of the ancient world. From the towering pyramids of Giza to the colossal statue of Rhodes, these wonders have captivated the human imagination for centuries. Though some of these wonders no longer stand, their legacy lives on, inspiring us with their beauty, ingenuity, and the enduring spirit of human endeavor. They remind us of the power of human creativity, the importance of preserving our cultural heritage, and the timeless allure of exploring our world's wonders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Let us know in the comments which wonder you'd like to explore next.